So how do you use your equity to buy another property?
If you've got a property that is worth $1 million, you can borrow up to 800,000. So you can see this is the maximum borrowing, and if you only have a mortgage, say for example 300,000, then the difference is what we call accessible equity of 500,000, which is this portion here. Now this is usable to buy a second property. And if you've got a $500,000 deposit, you can buy a property that is existing, and you can use it as a 40% deposit, which means you can buy up to 1.25 million. Now, if you actually use this for a non-bank lender, so non-bank, or if you also NB, which is new build, you can use this as a 20% deposit and would allow you to buy up to $2.5 million, which is a lot more properties. But in saying that, it's really important for you to know that you need the income to be able to service this.
And the best way to figure out how much you can borrow is check out mh2.co.nz and talk to one of our mortgage advisors.